Hello friends, welcome to my kitchen. My kitchen's name is Kitchen of Minakshi. Today I will show you how to cook fish eggs. For this, first we need fish eggs, then boiled potato, salt, turmeric powder, grinded mustard seeds, cumin seed powder, red chili powder, chopped onion and chopped green chili. Now we have to mix up all the ingredients with the eggs. For that first we give salt, 1 teaspoon of salt, give 2 teaspoon of mustard seeds, then half teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of red chili powder, half teaspoon of cumin powder, chopped red chili, green chili, then boil potato and mix to all ingredients with the help of hand. Our egg mixture is ready. Let's start the next process. Heat up the oil. Our oil is heated up. Then give the onions, when the onion is become soft, then give the fish eggs. Our onion is become soft. Now we can give the fish eggs. Now fry it. It will take little bit of time. You can cook it for 8 to 10 minutes and then that time you can taste it. it will become dry. Now you can see our fish eggs are ready. It fully dried up, and now you keep it out from the stove. Our fish eggs are ready. Now you can serve it. You can eat it with rice or roti. If you like my video, please like it and subscribe it and share it.